Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to see your password in Roblox if you forgot your password. So what you can do is just make sure to go to your browser in your PC or laptop and make sure to log in with your account on the Roblox app. And once logged in, just go to the next tab, and in this section, which is basically a Gmail section of your Chrome, so make sure to log in with the same Gmail of that you have attached with the Roblox in your account. So make sure to log in with that in the browser section as well. And once logged in, just click on the profile icon or the Gmail icon and click here manage your Google account. And once you click here manage your Google account, so from this section what you need to do is just make sure to go to the security section, which is on the left side. Just go to security section and scroll down at the end, and you will see a section called password managers. So from here what you need to do is just click on password managers or manage passwords, and in this section you will see all the passwords that are that you have saved of your accounts in this section. So as you can see, I just have saved one password, which is kind of realreddit.com, and I have not saved the Roblox password. So make sure to check this section. If you have saved your password, it will be in this section. And if you have not saved your password, so unfortunately there is no direct way. You can just click on go to settings and make sure to click on forgot your password, and make sure to verify your email address as well. And once verified, make sure to change your password or click on forgot your password. And once you click on forgot your password, you will be able to change your password. So that is all about how you can view your password if you forgot it. And if you're not able to find the password, so you can just how you can change it. So that is all about how you can do it.